Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can put a text behind a moving person. I chose this video clip for this and I want to add a text behind this person. Okay, just go to text and write your text. I just write hello and go to text effect. And I chose this effect. Okay. Now I adjust the text layer with video. Delete CapCut logo. Now see, my text is not behind the person. I'll go to export. Don't worry, just see and wait. Again go to new CapCut project and import our exported video. Then go to overlay, add overlay and add our main video. Adjust video. Okay. Now go to our main video. And go to cutout, remove background. Okay. Now friends, see the result. So I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. I am a small content creator, so please support me, and if you have any confusion then please comment below and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.